The move from Jem Ferrer, she's done that countless times since her rookie years. She has become braver and braver as years have gone by.
And what makes it more effective is the fact that yung form, if you look at her, you would actually, if you're the opponent, you would think that she's going to set up the ball. Hindi kasi nagbabago yung forma ng katawan niya. The last minute, she sends the ball over.
I think the term for that, the phrase is that she sells it well. Best setter, Jem Ferrer. And now, Nakachi moves out for the tallest Ateneo player on the floor. That's Mary May Tajima.
Okay, for you guys who are not aware, para may idea lang sila
Yan,
doon.
sige.
Ang height ng net natin 2.24. And if the camera focuses on Tajima yon, magkakaroon kayo ng idea how tall she is.
Very young prospect here for Coach Roger. And since they have one set, a lead of 4 points, Coach Roger gambling a little here, maybe getting her a little confident.
She's
Look at
actually
that.
the tallest on the floor.
On the floor. Lalo na wala na si Sante. Wala si Sante today from National University. Oh, missed time there by Ron. Yun ang hirap din. Para dun sa mga naglalaro ng volleyball, yun din ang hirap minsan pag yung set mo underhand na galing sa likod. That's a tough skill to actually be able to kill that ball still like that. Salibad. Combination play. Kainglet was there. Ferrer up top to Valdez down the line. That's wide. Valdez, a hot shot rookie for Ateneo coming from UST. And they go back to her. She goes cross-court and she finds the line to give them a 5-point lead.
Take a look at that again. Valdez now with some variety, changing the angle of her attack.
Salibad to Pablo, goes cross-court. And then Lazaro unable to catch that. It's still a 4-point lead for Ateneo. 15 serving 19. Precious Salibad now. And you down a set here. Sharp serve. Tajima picks it up. Kainglet from the back row. Combination play. Delayed by the block. Ferrer underhand. Kainglet makes something out of that.
For Kainglet, it doesn't matter where the ball is, lahat papaluin.
Herbacio this time through the block. And the lead is up to 5. Genshin marches back, but not before a timeout called by Coach Francis.
May pumasok, diba? Yung isa. Ano yung ginagawa nung pumapasok, gumaganyan lang. Sa tingin mo, ako center, bibigyan ko yun. Oh, basahin nyo. Sa tingin nyo, ako center, bibigyan ko yun. O sinong babantayan ko? Hindi yung malakas. Yung magkabilaan dulo. Bakit kayo nagkukumpul sa gitna? Hindi nyo pabantayan dito, hindi nyo pabantayan doon. Let's go. Ha? Tagal yung camera, gusto mo. Ayun!
Coach Francis, of course, ang tinutukoy niya doon si Tajima na nakapasok lang. So sinabi niya, sa tingin niyo ba, bibigyan ng bola yon? So now, it is Tajima, Mary May Tajima, serving. 20-15 for Ateneo. Ferrer. Oh, what a kill from Z. Herbacio, the best so far today.
Nice sharp attack there from Z. Look at this angle.
That's a frontline kill.
First line.
Oh, no. First line. Everything was perfect for her there. The distance, the height. This one's wide though for Tajima.
Still very young.
Pinag-uusapan namin ni Ian kahapon. Sabi niya, alam mo pag rookie, Pag nagkamali, titingin talaga sa bench. Pagka veterano na, wala nang pakialam, di na tumitingin sa bench.
Totoo yun.
Not that they don't care, it's just that they know how to move on right away. Combination play, Gretchen. Free ball here for Ateneo. Gem scrambling to give it to Valdez.
Oh, look at that.
Puts it away. You're just seeing the tip of the iceberg for this girl. We know that. And
Look at that.
gagaling pa yan. Gaganda pa kondisyon niya. And if she gets surrounded with more players in the future for Ateneo, you never know. But it's tough to rely on her, knowing that she's a rookie, na parang siya lang. Ano? Alam natin kung gaano siya kagaling, o anong programang pinanggalingan niya, pero iba pa rin yung kailangan, may mga matututunan ka at may levels kang inaakyat dito sa UAP.
That's right. And yun na nakikita natin ngayon, no? Phil Kainglet, like what you've mentioned earlier, we've seen her from the beginning, from
Yes.
when she started, and you really see the difference, the maturity, and the way that she plays.
Yes.
Even in the back row, kanina kahit gaano kaalanganin yung bola boom, even if it's far from her, she really
Nagagawa niya
tries.
ng paraan,
Oo.
no? Di niya ginagawa yun dati, ha? Combination play again! Si Hervasio. Oh, what a play by Jeff Ferrer there. May bidulong siya eh. Nakita may bidulong eh. Oh, look at that cross. NNU.
Excellent save. No blockers there.
None to be found.
For you to know that the play was effective, ganun dapat yun, yung kumakagat yung blockers mo dun sa isang spiker.
Ball still alive. In play. Courtesy of Lazaro. Back set, wrong time. And that will be Ateneo point, which sets up set point for the Lady Eagles trying to bounce back from a loss.
Service. Hervasio.
And what skill for Ferrer to call out a play like that in the confusion of everything. Great serve by Hervasio. Nice attack, but Lazaro was there, and a point for NU, net error. Ateneo, but they're still at set point.
18. Serving 24. Team captain, Kai Nepomuceno.
Kai Nepomuceno now.
Lady Bulldogs.
Thing has to be perfect for National University to try to catch up here. Gretchen Ho.
Hall with the
Medyo
run.
in-adjust pa niya yung takbo doon, pero point nevertheless. The Lady Eagles, quick 2 sets for them, 25-18 here in set number 2. Dumikit ng konti NU dito, pero sa
Again,
dulo.
it's the same wala silang panapos. So they started off strong but wasn't able to sustain.
Third set coming your way after these.